Hey guys, it's Dajir. Welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, welcome to my channel. So as you can see by the title, we're going to be doing a zodiac sign inspired makeup tutorial. So I don't know if I'm like late to this trend, but all over my TikTok I have been seeing like makeup inspired by your zodiac sign, and they say that you're not doing your makeup right unless you're doing it like your zodiac sign. So I just looked on TikTok and Google and Pinterest for Aries inspired makeup or Aries zodiac sign makeup, and I found all these pictures. They all kind of are in the same vibe. I'm gonna read you guys off what it says on Google. It says Aries makeup is typically bold, confident, and fiery, often featuring warm color palettes of reds, orange, and yellows. Key looks include a classic or graphic bold eyeliner, sculpted brows, and a statement red lip. So yeah, I think we're gonna do like a smoky eyeliner with some glitter on the lid and then a smoky red lip. So if you guys want to see that, then just keep on watching. Okay. So I already did my eyebrows off camera. Now we're gonna prime our eyes with the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define Infinite Concealer. I really love this concealer a lot. So Makeup Revolution, if you're watching this, y'all ate with this. Send me some concealers. I'm just gonna blend that out with a beauty sponge. To be honest, this beauty sponge is dry because I don't feel like getting up, so we're gonna blend that out with a brush. Then we're gonna take this Rimmel London Stay Matte pressed powder. I also really love this powder for setting my eyelids. I also like it for setting my face, like under the eyes and stuff. It's a little bright, even though it's supposed to be translucent. I believe it brightens up my under eye, so I don't really use it all over the face. I just kind of use it where I put my concealers and stuff. So first we're gonna take the Warrior 2 palette by Juvia's Place. I feel like this is a very nice Aries inspired. Please ignore the black that fell out and broke. See, I'm about to break another one because I'm so clumsy, but I feel like this is a very good Aries inspired palette because it has like red tones, orange tones, like those fiery shades and all that good stuff. So we're gonna take that. We're gonna take Yacht It, which is like the first brown shade in that palette, on a BH Cosmetics tapered blending brush. I'm just gonna put that on our outer corner and bring it halfway into our crease. And now on this little small blending brush, we're gonna take Kafuru, which is the shade next to that shade, which is like a darker red, like brown, if that makes sense. We're just gonna put that on our outer corner and blend it halfway into the crease. Now on a big flat brush, we're gonna take Zaz, which is like a white shade in that palette, and put it on the inner part of our eyes. I want to make sure to blend it with the outer part. Okay, I'm going to take the Saharian 2 palette by Juvia's Place, and we're going to take, I can't read that. It's like the second shade, which is like a champagne shimmer shade, and we're going to put that on the inner part of our eye as well, like onto the lid. We're going to tap it off a lot because these Juvia's Place eyeshadows, I also love Juvia's Place. I just love makeup. But the brands that I have, I really love, and that's why I use them so like consistently. But we're just going to put that. I hope you guys can see that shimmer. I'm tapping it off a lot because, like I said, Juvia's Place eyeshadows are really pigmented, and I don't want it to be that pigmented. I just want a little bit of like shimmer on the inner part of the eye. Okay, and now on this I love Juvia's Place flat brush, we're gonna take Walzana, and we're basically gonna kind of do like a wing with that. We're gonna take this Kylie Cosmetics brush, I think it is, and we're just gonna blend out that Walzana shade a little bit. Get that nice and blended out. We're gonna take this Ben Nye cream curler wheel and we're gonna take the black from that and create a wing liner. And we're just taking it halfway onto the lid. We're not gonna bring it into the inner corner because I really want that shimmer shade to be like, I don't know, the most prominent. And sometimes when I add a wing on the inner corner, like, I don't know, I just don't want that today. I'm gonna add a little bit more of that shimmer shade. So this is a beautiful eye look. I feel like it's definitely giving Aries. It's giving bold. It's giving just like, I love it so much. So now I'm gonna go off camera and do my other eye and maybe my foundation and stuff, or then I'll come back with you guys to do the rest of the eyes and some stuff on the face and the lips. So I'll be right back. Okay guys, so I'm back. I just did my other eye, my face, and then I also put on some lashes. If you want some really good lashes, Ioni, I think that's what they're called. I think that's how you pronounce it. I got these from the dollar store. Yeah, and these aren't even the like biggest, fluffiest ones that they have. I think these are in the style Wispy Cluster Light. Wispy Cluster Light. So if you want a really good like eyelash, I would definitely recommend that. So now we're just gonna do under our eyes. So we're gonna take the Warrior 2 palette by Juvia's Place and we're gonna take Kafuru and we're just gonna pop that under our eye. We're also gonna take Walzana, which is like the darker shade, and pop that under our eye as well. I'm gonna bring some rosiness into our cheeks. We're gonna take the Juvia's Place blush, liquid blush in the shade Rosy Posy. We're also gonna put some on our nose. Period. Okay. And now for lips. I don't know what I'm going to do for lips. I'm just looking. I think I'm going to take the Saharian 2 palette by Juvia's Place, which is like a burgundy shade. And we're basically just going to line our lips with this. The reason that I'm using eyeshadow is when I put on gloss, it doesn't like go away. I don't really have a good like red lipstick because I literally never do my lips red. So I just like that when I put on gloss that it doesn't like completely disappear. So now for gloss, we're gonna take this Holika Devil's Plumper lip gloss and we're just gonna put that on our lips. Okay guys, so this is the finished Zodiac sign inspired makeup look. I love it so much. I feel like it's gonna be my go-to like everyday makeup look, except for the red lip. I love a bright like lip as much as the next person, but on me I just don't know if it fits the vibe of me, but I think it looks really cute with this look. I definitely love the eyes and just a little pop of shimmer with like the smoky liner. I love it a lot. Let me know what you guys think down below. Let me know what your zodiac sign is and what kind of makeup you do for your everyday makeup look and all that stuff. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Turn on my post notifications to be notified every time that I upload. If you want to keep up with me when I'm not posting on YouTube, you can follow me on all my other social medias. All that good stuff will be on the screen right here. It will also be linked down below. Ooh, that Devil's lip plumper is working. It'll also be linked down below for you. If you want to watch another one of my videos, please do. Please subscribe because I'm trying to reach 200 subscribers by the end of the year. Thank you so much for subscribing, and I truly hope I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.